Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Edie, and welcome back to the EC4U channel. And today I'm gonna hit you guys with something special. Now, don't mind the mess behind me. I'll explain everything. There's a method to the madness. But before we get started, please like, share the video, and comment. Click the notification bell if you haven't already, and please subscribe to the channel. We love you guys. We want you guys to see our content. But yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be packing because I'm going to be going out of town to go see my boo thing, my wifey, you know, XOXO, my love. I'm gonna go see her, and today I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing for packing, and hence the mess. Now, normally I'll keep you guys on the tripod, you know, but this time, since I'm gonna be moving, I want you guys to be with me while I'm moving. So, that being said, First things first, I want you guys to know that with me going to go see her, it's going to be celebrating both our anniversary and our birthdays as well as just, you know, getting to see each other. So with that being said, I took upon myself to pack heavily, like really heavy. Like I packed really heavy today, and I want you guys to see everything while I'm packing. Now, first foremost, I'll start with the essentials. You never want to go out of town without extra pair of socks and extra pairs of underwear. So for me, I'm gonna be there for close to a week. So I got like seven pairs of socks, 7 pairs of underwear. It's all right here. I'm gonna keep them all. This is my suitcase, by the way. Look at that. Big 40-inch junk up in here. But I'm gonna put my essentials. I normally put my essentials in the side piece, on part of the bag, not the deep piece, because that's where I put my heavy stuff in. Socks here, and I'll put my underwear down here. You never want to have too many of these, because you never know if you might have an accident. Somebody might spill something on you. You know, have one of them days. Alright, next, I got the comfy clothes. Comfy clothes, I mix between sweatpants and basketball shorts. Now, yeah, we're going to be staying in a hotel, but apparently it's cold over there in Canada. It is snowing pretty bad. So, I decided to get extra with it and got all sweatpants and shorts. Alright, so comfy clothes to carry. Alright, next. I don't go anywhere without bringing the stuff that my girl got me. Hence, the Adidas tracksuit. So, y'all haven't noticed before, the Adidas pants is in the comfy clothes. So, I'm gonna add an Adidas jacket with it. If you guys didn't know, my girl bought me a shirt I'm wearing right now. Looking pretty fresh, you know what I'm saying? I look good, don't I? Thank you. But, yeah, next that's the bottom half. Now for the top half, got muscle shirts, t-shirt, dry fit specifically. Now, like I said before, it's really cold in Canada, so got a lot of sweatshirts and Henleys, and I also got a thermal, but I'm gonna be wearing that in the airport. So my 1 long sleeve, 2 long sleeve. Shout outs to my dad. My dad got me these out of JCPenney. And they were cheap too, they were like $9. Alright, also for casual wear, we got jeans. Dust and stuff. Now, she told me to bring black jeans, because apparently she got me something I can wear with them. So I'm bringing these black pair of jeans, and I'm bringing these dark blue jeans that barely have any rips on them. So I'm bringing these as well. I should probably bring like one more pair of jeans, right? I should bring one more pair of jeans. Let me grab one more pair of jeans. Also, remember how I said it was our anniversary? I got dress clothes. Now, she didn't say specifically what kind of dressing clothes I would wear. So, I got myself regular black long sleeve, you know, the Michael Strahan collection button up, and then Calvin Klein dress pants. Shouts to Calvin Klein. This is not sponsored. I just like their clothes. Now, one thing that I'm gonna surprise her with, I don't even know if it's gonna be a surprise because she probably gonna see this video before I even land. But I got a secret weapon. A secret weapon for when I come see her. It's a 3-piece suit. Like I'm talking, it's a really nice suit. I'm gonna vlog it when she, once you guys get to see it. I want you guys to be able to see the 3-piece suit. But it's real nice. It's real slick. And I hope she loves it. I really hope she loves it. And if she doesn't, oh well. I did my best, but I'm gonna bring it anyway. So that's what that is right there. That's a 3-piece suit in the bag, and my dress shoes right here. Alright, so knowing that all the big stuff is pretty much secure, right? Wrong. Notice how I only put in dress shoes. You need sneakers. You need casual shoes. So I got here is got my gray, black, and yellows. I call them my bumblebees. Got my olive black. Yeah, I got my Air Force Ones, the trusty ones. Can't go nowhere without no ones, man. I'm serious. You tripping if you going somewhere without ones. There you go. So I think I'm pretty much set and packing. I think I got everything. What do you guys think? You think I got everything? Well, if you're saying yes, then you're wrong. I do not have everything. You need a belt for the dress pants, right? You need a belt for the dress pants. I need that. And plus, you can't go nowhere without a pig. All black people know that. You can't go nowhere without your pig, man. Come on, bro. Got me messed up. Ain't nobody packing out this joint. Now, reminding myself of that. Or putting this stuff in the bag. Remind me that I got to put in other essential stuff like deodorant and toothpaste. You don't be going out there stinking and nothing like that. I mean, yeah, you could. Yeah. Oh, hey there. I go with the Old Spice. Old Spice Tundra. Then yeah, and get my toothbrush and all that too. Even though I packed all this stuff, I still didn't feel like I had enough to keep me climatized for the weather. If that makes sense. So with that being said, I haven't came to a conclusion yet, but knowing that, I might pack either this wool jacket that I have on my closet, hung up in my closet. I'm gonna wear my varsity Letterman that I had since high school. I might wear both. I'm pretty sure I can make the wool jacket fit, but I want to make sure I have everything before I do. And from the looks of it, pretty much do. I only got these one pair of boots that I'm gonna end up wearing when I get off the plane, just for the snow. But I also, I'm gonna walk you guys out throughout my house real quick, cause I'm kind of conflicted right now. I'm very conflicted right now because I feel like I can wear these even though they don't look the greatest as of right now. I cleaned them up pretty good, I feel like I did, but they're old and they vintage, they retro, and they've been through some things. These are my Timbs. Again, old pair of Timbs, kind of messed up. Addy got marker on them, but I still think they look fresh even though they look beaten and battered. You guys tell me in the comments below. Well, that being said, that's pretty much it for the big stuff. Now, other stuff I'm gonna pack is gonna be regular stuff, my luxury stuff. Like you ain't gonna pack, or you ain't gonna go on no trip, I should say. Let me phrase it. You ain't gonna go on no trip without, your phone charger. Need that. Also, that ain't what I do with those things. You especially ain't going out nowhere without your dang on know, I'm working circles around this house. Without your headphones. Now, a lot of people got AirPods. I decided to go a different route. I got the Jabra Elite 65Ts. They're pretty good. I feel like I got my money's worth. They are noise canceling, and they definitely do the job. And you get to save a lot more money than you would spending on AirPods. AirPods, you spend probably like $200, $300. These only cost like $60, $70. So, no, I feel like I have all these things together. I feel like I got everything I need, right? But I feel like the most important thing, and a lot of people forget to pack when going on a trip, and it can literally make or break a trip, is you need, take a guess, you need your passport, man. You can't go anywhere without your passport, G. So yeah, so pack your passport, guys. Now, hope that's everything. If it's not, y'all got a whole day to let me know. Oh, let me get back in the light. Yeah, you guys have a whole day to let me know what I missed, and let me know real fast, because I leave out like tomorrow. You know, so you guys let me know in the comments below if I forgot anything and what I should pack. Or if you think that I packed everything, I got everything set in stone, give me a thumbs up. I want a couple likes on this. Let's get it to at least 15 likes on this video. More great, but let's get it to at least 15 likes on this video. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy watching me pack, baby. I'm coming for you. Can't wait to see you. And yeah, again, guys, we love you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you know, and I hope you guys have a good one, because if I got you, you got me, and life will be easy for you. Alright, later.